over. Actually, excuse me, sir. You're supposed to stay a distance away from me. Guys, today I am by Premium Quality Meat in Balmain. I always speak very highly about this meat shop. So today there's a long line to go inside. So I'm just gonna take you guys inside and show you what they have. The prices to me is very affordable. They have a wide variety of items to choose from. So yeah, let's go. I always talk about the cheese here. The prices of the cheese is like the cheapest that I ever saw. Focus, let me show you the price. It's like $18. It's like $18 per pound, which to me I find is like the cheapest ever. Like, look at the big size, $26. So they don't have the cheese size that I wanted to show you, so I'll take two instead. This is the frozen veggies that I buy. The price is $16, which to me is really good. I always buy this. It's always crowded inside here, like all the time, and more so now. Okay, so the salmon burgers that I buy is in Price Mart. I paid $200 for a pack of 12. They have $5 here for one. You know what? I'm gonna try it still.
Yes,
I'm gonna try it still just to see if the prices. I love a good barbecue pigtail, and the pigtail here, we bought it already. The price is really good. $35 for all of this. And last time we opened it, it was like about 10 tails. Okay, so the rack of lamb. These I find is really good. Yeah, this, look at how much for $141. And this is just one pack, right? There's different sizes. So this is $159. I find this is good because I bought it already. And it barbecued nicely. I'm gonna try some turkey. I'm gonna try some turkey. Turkey wing? What? Do you want chicken breast? This is the real reason that I come here, honestly. It's for the chicken breast. We have these here for $75. And we have this one that I recently started buying for $175. To me, I find this is real good because okay, so this is the trolley. I tell you all I'm trying the salmon burger, right? And look at cheese, veggies. I'm trying the turkey, pigtail, and my chicken breast. Alright, so that was it. This is the place, guys, over there. I don't know if you'll see in the sun real hot, but everything came up to $320. Yeah, which I find is like real good. So this is where I always come when I get my stuff, my chicken breast and cheese and whatnot. And yeah, so if ever you're in the area, check them out. It is in Balmain, and let me know. So like I said, if you are in the area, it is in Balmain. Be sure to check them out if you need topping up on your meats and stuff. Again, I will stress, this is not sponsored in any way possible. Like I said, I know given the times right now is all about economizing and making that dollar stretch. So yeah, so that was it. Alright, so the next step was supposed to be Price Mart in Chaguanas to just, sorry, Price Club in Chaguanas. This is the line here.
To the back by the storage.
Yeah, so I feel I might have to change my mind and go to some other grocery. But Price Club, like honestly, since this whole thing started, it had so much people. The line's extremely long. Let me show you how much. what your lines are. This is the entrance is right there and the line is over there. So bye. It's been so long since I wear makeup. The last time I wear makeup was Carnival Tuesday. Oh my god. Like, I miss it, but I have to. This is all for a good cause. But yeah, I'm sorry if I show you only a raw side of myself, but I can't help that. So yeah, the last time I wear makeup was like Carnival Tuesday. So all I put on in my face is just moisturizer. That's it. This is the condition of the highway right now. Oh, what is the time?
156.
It is 1:56 in the afternoon, and yeah, everybody's supposed to be still practicing social distancing, but we're not. I don't know why, but it's just like a normal work day. Okay, so I now realize I forgot to close out the video, so sorry. I am home. That was it for today. I just wanted to show all your premium quality meats. I think that's the name. Yeah, the meat shop in Balmain. And yeah, that was it. I didn't bother to go grocery again because I saw the long line. So that's it for today, guys. Again, I would leave you all saying stay safe, try your best to stay indoors, and I will see you all in my next